Noong nakaraang taon, hindi lamang kami naglagay ng speaker sa labas, kundi maging video din. Hindi lamang audio. Kasi napansin ko na pag merong nakikita, at least yung attention ay nandoon, napo-focus. The teachings remain the same. The teachings of Christ will not change. But the means of spreading the teachings should adapt. And the church is adapting. Before, wala yung mga video wall na yan, wala yung mga overhead projector. But we have to adapt. And now, even the Pope has a Twitter account. He is also using the modern social communications in order to spread the gospel. So, I don't see anything wrong with the internet as long as it is used properly. It's one of those days in the year when Filipino families gather to celebrate. Number 2 is food.
Noche Buena.
Noche Buena, Medianoche, there can be no celebration without food. And perhaps the third, the last one is faith. It's heartwarming to see that the people that filled up the churches in Europe, for example, are Asians and mostly Filipinos. First of all, I would like to express my happiness and gratitude for being chosen as the venue of this year's Simbang Gabi. That will be live streamed, and you will have access to the celebration, to the masses in real time. So wherever you are in the office, because the time difference, there is this available celebration to you. I hope that through this Eucharistic celebrations, through these masses, you will have the chance to spiritually prepare yourselves for the celebration of Christmas. And you are always in our prayer, especially you who are far from your loved ones, especially during these times of celebration. We are praying for you that you will always be safe, that you will have people who will be your employers, who are loving to you and treating you humanly. Do not forget the gift that you have, the gift of faith. When you were here, you celebrated that faith. I hope that even if you are not in the country right now, you will celebrate that faith as well. At sa mga Pilipino naman na nandito sa Pilipinas, pero walang pagkakataon na makapunta ng simbahan dahil siguro katulad ng mga nasa call center, meron kayong shift, meron kayong trabaho, panoorin na lamang ninyo ang misa na ipalalabas ng Inquirer via internet. Pero siyempre, iba pa rin yung magsumikap kayo na makapagsimba at makatanggap ng komunyon, lalo na kung araw ng Pasko at sa unang araw ng bagong taon. Sa inyong lahat, ano man ang inyong ginagawa, saan man kayo naroroon, sana ay dumating sa inyo ang pagpapala ng Diyos. Maligayang Pasko at sana ay maging masaganang lalo ang inyong bagong taon.